Good day, investors. This is your number one Ebereto Victoria, Vicrest Properties. This is Vicrest Real Estate Talk. You'll be wondering, Vicrest, what happened? You've been away for some time. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. And I just want to welcome every one of you back, and I welcome myself back to this channel, Vicrest Real Estate Talk. So, due to my garden in my apartment, though I had some issues with the agents in the house because of the garden that is, they don't want it, so I had to remove them. I have to remove the garden. It was a tough time for me because I was already used to the garden, going there to water the garden, taking care of the garden. All of a sudden I have to dispose of it. It was tough for me because I was already used to it. But that's not the end of it. I'm going to continue somewhere else. I wish I can get a place where I can start the garden again. And by God's grace, it will be a reality. That's why in my previous video I talked about it. For those who wants to own a garden, to first of all talk to, if they are not in their own personal house, to first of all talk to the person in charge, if it's the owner of the house, the landlord, the landlady, or the agent in charge, for taking steps to own a garden in the house. If not, you hold on until you own your own, or you get a place where you will be allowed to do that. Okay, so today we'll be treating a new topic. Everybody is broke, but real estate is still selling. Why? So we're going to be looking at why real estate is still selling even in this hard time. So that's why I would love you to please sit down. Depending on your weather, you can grab your hot tea, your hot coffee, or your chill drink with your snack and watch this video to the end. You're watching this video for the first time, you're welcome. Please do smash the subscription button of this YouTube channel to subscribe, so you always be notified of every of our latest updates, every of our latest notification. You returning subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos. Like our page, comment. Please, if you've not subscribed yet, please do smash the subscription button of this YouTube channel to subscribe. Please, you can also share with your friends and families. As I go on this topic, everybody is broke, but real estate is still selling. Why? The world economy looks bleak. So what next? The reason why I'm doing this is because of what is going on in the world economy. The world is broke. Not only in Nigeria, despite we keep seeing real estate properties increasing in price. According to Nigeria statistics, 65% of Nigerians are broke right now. And that 65% cannot boast of 50,000 naira in their bank account right now. 15% of the average Nigerians, they can still boast of few millions in their accounts, but can't still buy land or a house. 20% of Nigerians that are extremely rich, they can afford to buy whatever they want. So, who are the people buying? Among the 65% that are totally broke, we have government parastatals, independent marketers, some bankers, and the rest, though they earn money, but it's not enough. Among the 15%, we have the people in diaspora. They can afford it because their currency is high when they change it in Nigeria. Out of the 15% are legitimate contractors and illegitimate contractors and businessmen. We're talking about illegitimate contractors, you know what I mean. Then the 20% are politicians, legitimate business moguls, and illegitimate. These are the driving force of Nigeria real estate. Real estate is one of the basic human needs because you need to live somewhere, and everyone's aspiration is to secure a home for him or herself and the family. Diaspora remnants are especially one of the backbone of Nigeria real estate. What do I mean? People in diaspora are the major buyers of Nigeria real estate properties, land, house. Most people, the major buyers are the people in diaspora. A lot of diaspora money that comes into Nigeria development and not borrowed funds, and the properties are theirs, and it mitigates against inflation. We'll talk about mitigate against, that's to help reduce or lessen the inflation. That's what maybe mitigate against inflation. Despite that people are broke, the influx of money coming from diaspora helped Nigeria real estate to continue to increase in price despite the high inflation rate in US, because US is the biggest real estate market in the world. Despite the inflation is eating the economy, people still buy because the purchasing power is still strong. So the inflation did not hit the whole state in America, because there are states where there are high purchasing power, and also there are some states that has low purchasing power. The states with low purchasing power are the states that are really affected. The buying power in Lagos is still strong. That's why there's still need for real estate to still increase in price. In conclusion, despite the high inflation rates, the economy hardship, people are still buying. Like here in Nigeria, people are still buying land, they are still buying house, though the rate is not as previous year. But people are still buying. Why? Because some of them already have planned to buy, they'll be saving for it for some time. Some already have it, some already have decided that they're going to buy, and they have the money at hand with them. And there are some that they are buying and are paying bit by bit. Despite the hardship, the economy, people are still buying. You are there, you want to buy. Don't look at the economy. If you have the money at hand, why not buy? Or if you have, you know you can be able to afford it, why not buy and be paying bit by bit? Because the more you wait, the more the prices keep increasing. So there's some persons that be calling, some will tell me, Vickress, the dollar rate has reduced, the exchange rate of dollar to naira has reduced, so why I believe the price should come down. No matter the economy, whether the inflation is increasing, no matter how high the inflation is going, price of properties don't come down, don't reduce. Instead, price of property keep appreciating. So what I'm saying in essence, don't wait to say, okay, let me wait to see if the price will come down so I will buy. The more you are waiting, the more the price keep increasing. Oh yes, the more the price keep increasing. You are ready to buy, why not start? You have the money, why not buy? Or you have interest, you want to own a property, why not start buying and be paying bit by bit? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this topic. This is Victoria of VRC Vicrest Properties. We'll be talking on the topic, everybody is broke, but real estate is still selling. Why? The whole world looks blink. What next? If you're watching this video for the first time, please do click on the subscription button of this YouTube channel to subscribe so you always be notified of every latest update, every latest notification. Your returning subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos. Like our page, comment. If you've not subscribed yet, please do smash the subscription button of this YouTube channel to subscribe so you always be notified of every latest update, every latest notification. Please, you can also share with your friends and families. Also use this medium to refer you to our other channel at Victoria of VRC, where we talk on the cost of building materials in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. You want to buy genuine, affordable land and luxury home? Vicrest Properties will help you do that. We also help you invest wisely. So thank you for watching this video. Do have a wonderful Sunday and a blessed week ahead. Thank you.